Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Revolut to Binance, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and log in. Step 2. Go to the crypto section by tapping the Invest tab or searching crypto in the app. Step 3. Select the crypto you want to transfer. For example, Bitcoin, BTC, or USDT. Step 4. Tap Send or Transfer, then choose Send externally to another wallet. Step 5. Now, switch to the Binance app. Go to Wallet, then Deposit, and choose the matching cryptocurrency. Step 6. Carefully copy your Binance wallet address and select the correct network, e.g., BTC, TRC20, or ERC20. Warning: if the network doesn't match, your crypto could be lost. Step 7. Paste the Binance wallet address into the Revolut app. Confirm all details, then authorize the transaction. Step 8. Wait a few minutes. You can track the transaction in your Revolut history and confirm it's received on Binance. And that's it. You've just transferred crypto from Revolut to Binance. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful guides. See you next time.